Hey guys, it's Rachel with Pretty in Plants. Thank you so much for coming. I can't believe it, but I have some big news today. Okay, so this is episode number 105, and I thought I was gonna go hot and heavy this year and go every single Monday at 4 p.m. Excuse the attire, I think I was wearing this last week, but it has been snowing here in San Antonio, Texas, and it has been quite cold. It was 28 degrees Fahrenheit last night, so we're all bundled up with our long underwear. And there's my little long underwear, and our warm, cozy shoes and coffee and hot tea. So I hope you are doing the same. My regards to those in Germany, those in UK, those under very strict restrictions and lockdown. I hope your plants are giving you consolation, and your animals. And I'm very, very sorry that for anyone who has to endure the extreme lockdown conditions. I was really hoping to do a video every single week this year, but y'all know I am really big on praying about everything. And the more I prayed about it, the more I felt like I was gonna say goodbye for now. This video, I have made over 100 videos on putting your plants in LECA, and I feel like if you watch the videos, if you watch 5 of my videos, you actually have a lot of tools for success. If you watch 10 of my videos, you should probably be pretty secure in your transition of taking your plants out of dirt and putting them into LECA. Plus the online plant community is amazing and wonderful and very, very supportive. As for last week, I did the quiz. Thank you everyone who participated. It was really, really fun. I sent out, I think over 25 packages. If you won a cutting, I sent out one of those, but I felt like the packaging was really flimsy, so I've ordered some tubes to send those cuttings in. And in the meantime, they're growing roots in my fish tank. So if you won cuttings, they will be coming to you. I wanted to say, anyone who, there were so many people from last week who knew every answer to every single question. You were only permitted to win one prize, and I sent out a few more heat mats than I intended to send out or thought I had the budget for. But I love that. I love the whole plant thing. I love that y'all are excited about your plants and keeping them alive and watching them grow. And so I just had so much fun doing that. I watched many plant videos and loved every single one. And I felt like the plant community is amazing, but also the plant advice that I found through several different plant tubers. I Love You, Sma in UK, Plantarina, Minimalist Cali. There's just so many that have great advice. And so when I decided to put my plants into LECA, I had been on an orchid journey, and when I heard you could put houseplants into LECA, I thought, this is genius. And there weren't that many YouTubers doing plants in LECA. So I jumped right on the train and started doing my videos and kind of went through this journey. But my biggest intention with it was not to be a famous YouTuber. My biggest intention was to give back to the plant community and to give. I had taken so much from so many people and been really blessed by the plant community, and I wanted to give something back. So in giving 100 videos that I have filmed and edited and uploaded myself, I feel like I've given a substantial amount of a gift back to the plant community. I feel very accomplished, and I feel like if you watch my videos, you will definitely have just a wealth of information concerning putting your plants in LECA. It's almost like writing a book for me. I did a beginning, a middle, and an end, and I just feel really good about that. And the main reason I'm kind of letting this go is I really feel pretty strongly that 2021, I'm supposed to do some other things. I'm writing a book and I write articles for a magazine and just kind of pushing more in my writing direction. Appreciate my audience. I really appreciate all your comments and your enthusiasm, and I'm really fed off of that. And many of the videos I've done is in response to comments. And I just really love y'all, and I want to thank you so much for just some of you have been with me from the very beginning. And yeah, so this is really sad. It's my last video, but I think it's bye for now. I'll probably do another YouTube in the future. But for now, I am saying goodbye. I'm wrapping up Pretty in Plants channel. I'm leaving all of my videos up for y'all's pleasure and to watch and rewatch, but I will not be posting in the future. I appreciate you and love you. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.